Hi guys, I'm Riddhi. Welcome back to yet another exciting video. In today's video, I'll be sharing my makeup haul that I bought from Myntra and Nykaa. So initially this video was going to be only a huge Nykaa haul, but the Jagrut Grahak in me actually worked and I decided to compare the prices of the makeup products just like I did during my ethnic wear haul video. So in my ethnic wear haul video also I did compare the prices of the outfits and made my purchase. So I had to like hands down do the same with this haul and had to compare the prices of these makeup products before I make the purchase. Fast forward to today, we actually are here and we are making this video. I have all the products here with me. Hi from the editor Riddhi. So turns out that this video only contains my Nykaa haul video. I had to cut down the video because ये video बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा था. It was for around 30 minutes. So I am trying my best to cut it down. So please bear with me और दोनों video देख लेना. My makeup haul is now divided into two parts. So the first part contains my Nykaa haul and the second part will be containing my Myntra haul. So I hope you guys don't mind that and you watch both of my videos. Thank you. Before I begin with today's video, if you guys haven't seen me or are seeing me for the very first time, then hi, hello, my name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Starting off with Nykaa, I've mostly ordered eye products, but for some weird reason, ये दो अलग-अलग packages में आया है. But what I'm loving the most about these e-commerce websites is their plastic-free packaging. So दिख रहा है that they are trying and they are getting a little environment conscious. So that's a good thing. So let's start with the first box and let's see इसमें क्या है. So let's just open and see इसमें क्या है. Brown paper packaging. I really like the packaging, but then you get a plastic packaging inside a brown packaging. So I'm a little bummed about that, but because ये मेरे हाथ में आ ही गया, तो let's just open and start with this first. Talking about the first product, we have the Nykaa K 9 color eyeshadow palettes in the shade Birthday Cake. So this is how it looks. So I actually got a bunch of the Nykaa K eyeshadows because a very good friend of mine, Deep, suggested that I should get them because the pigmentation is very good and it is very beginner friendly. So if you want to learn makeup और अगर आप अभी just invest करना start कर रहे हो makeup पे या सीखना start कर रहे हो, तो according to him, this is a very good product to begin with. The colors are so playful and vibrant, बिल्कुल मेरी aesthetic जैसे. I hope the colors are equally pigmented as they look here in the palette. So let me just फटाफट से swatch these on my hand. You just have to break it a little when you swatch और apply because ये अभी बहुत नए हैं तो ऊपर की परत break करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Oh my god, look at this metallic blue. I love this so much. Okay, it's not yellow, it's like an ochre yellow and it's not as pigmented because yellow वैसे भी is very difficult to get right. Pink, which is okay. The steel color, okay. The shimmer color. Oh my god, look at the aqua. Oh my god, I love it. Look at this color. It looks like kumkum, but whoa. These are the colors. Moving on, we have the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lip Pencil in the shade 504 Rosy Biscuit. To be very honest, I've never owned a lip pencil in my entire life, so this is the first. I always used to use the lip liner brush whenever I used to apply lipsticks on my lips. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I thought now is the time to actually invest in a good nude lip liner. So the Rosy Biscuit is a nude lip liner which will hopefully go very well with the lipstick that I've ordered from Myntra. So stay tuned to see the lipstick as well. But इसको खोलते हैं. I like the cover also. Like it's a very plasticky cover. It's not like your regular. Okay, you get a pop there, and this is how the shade looks. So इसको फटाक से swatch करके देखते हैं हम. Oh my god, guys, look at it. I mean, like, I absolutely love this shade. Oh my god, this will look so nice on my lips. Look at it. This is actually the perfect nude color that I have been looking for in a lip pencil. Next up, we have another Nicka KK eyeshadow palettes. This is in the shade Lucky Charm. So first of all, these colors are so beautiful, so gorgeous, and these colors actually remind me of bachpan ke those Camel ke crayon pencils that we used to use, the plastic crayons that we actually used to get. So usme na they introduced two new shades, a pink and a blue, like this frosty greenish blue. So I was so excited to have them, and when I got them I was so protective of them. Like मैं इतना डर के उसको use करती थी ना कि वो खराब ना हो जाए, and I am getting the similar, like legit very similar feeling when I am opening this. तो I low-key don't want to, you know, ruin this palette, but दिल पे पत्थर रख के let's just quickly swatch this also. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा pigmented है यार. I mean, let's just look at it. Oh my god. Let's see another one. So ये काफ़ी foresty theme से related लग रहा है मुझको. I'm not sure what exactly is the theme for this palette. Okay, not bad actually. ये तो barely visible है, but I think ये inner corners में बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. Watch this also. Oh my god, I love this so much. These colors are like breathtaking. And the last shade is this brown, which I think will be very interesting because ये brown हम बहुत ज़्यादा transition के लिए use कर सकते हैं. This metallic green has my heart. I'm not even kidding you guys, and I think you can create a lot of looks with this color palette. This is how it looks. So the last product from this Dabba number 1 package of Nykaa, we have the Pro Arte Buffing or Blending Brush. So इतने सारे आई शेडोज़ ले लिए हैं तो एक अच्छा good quality का buffing और blending brush तो बनता है. So let's just quickly open it and then I'll show it to you guys. This is how it looks. I have so many makeup brushes still untouched, trust me, but I always somehow felt the need to have a good quality ka blending brush. So this is the reason why I got this blending brush. I really like this. It's so fluffy. I mean, look at it. This will be so much better to blend your eyeshadow. I am so excited to play with this brush. Oh my god. Thanks Shruti for recommending this buffing or blending brush to me. I am pretty sure that I am going to love this blending brush a lot, and it is going to help me evolve my blending skills. So I am looking forward to creating amazing looks with this. Thank you so much for this recommendation. So now we are done with the first package from Nykaa. ये पूरा खाली हो चुका है. Let's just quickly move to the second dabba of the makeup product from Nykaa. The first product from the second package of Nykaa is this. So this is again a Nicka KK eyeshadow palette from in the shade Sugar Plum. I mean guys, look at the colors. These colors are like so delicious. They look super delicious and yummy. But मैं ना सिर्फ एक कलर को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न हूँ, which is this one here, the goldeny one. I'm not that sure कि how well is this one going to transfer on your skin. Let's just quickly swatch these and then we'll talk about it. Oh, I like the pink. Warm colors are like so yummy. Even my eyeshadow right now is like a little bit inspired by this palette. Most favorite from all of the bunch. Color, oh my god. Okay, not bad. मैं बहुत टेढ़ा नहीं जा रही हूँ, but This color, oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I was super concerned about this one for some reason. I don't know why, but look at that. Oh my god, this. Oh. Wow. Wow. Sorry, Christine. So these are the colors. The good thing about this product is that इसमें ना you get matte and shimmer both. So you get pressed glitters in the palette as well as matte eyeshadow. So you can create so many looks with these color palettes. I cannot even begin. तो इसके साथ you can do goth look also. क्या लगेगा ना goth look इसके साथ में? Wow. And also a very, you know, like mauvey romantic date night look would also look super well with this one. So please, like, I'm recommending this one to you guys कि please ये वाले तो पक्का ले लो if you are trying to learn makeup and if you are a beginner like me. This one is going to suit any and every skin tone, so you have to, like, if you are looking for a good eyeshadow, this one is it. Like, this one is it. Next up we have the Color Bar Lash Illusion Mascara for lengthening and volumizing your lashes. So the most unique thing about this mascara that I found was कि इसमें you get two wands. I'm not sure about that if you get two different kinds of wands, because image में देख के, like, on the website when I saw it on the images, the wands were pretty similar and, like, I think almost the same when I actually saw them. I'm not sure about that. लेकिन the product does claim to give you volume and lengthen your lashes at the same time, not your skin, your lashes at the same time. So अगर आपको सिर्फ वॉल्यूम चाहिए तो आप सिर्फ वॉल्यूम का मस्कारा अप्लाई कर लो, या अगर आपको सिर्फ लेंथ चाहिए तो you can just apply the length वाला side, or if you want to go the dramatic side then you can use both, like you can apply both, you can layer both. So let's just quickly open this package and see कि वॉन्ड में क्या डिफरेंस है, अगर इसके वॉन्ड में कुछ डिफरेंस है भी या नहीं है तो. So this is how it looks. So let's just quickly open the volumizing side first and see कि इसका wand में कुछ difference है भी या. Oh okay, oops. So this is the wand, this is not the wand, this is the wand, this is the pot. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so this is the wand. Lengthening side now and see कि इसका wand में क्या difference है. Oh my god, no, there is literally no difference when it comes to the wand. So I'm not sure कि ये lengthening और volumizing क्यों बोला जा रहा है. So this one is the volumizing and this one is the lengthening, but I don't literally see any difference in this. But can you guys see there is literally no difference in the wand, or is it just me? Wait, there is a difference. Oh my god, there is a difference. It is different. So the volumizing one is a little longer. ये ना, this one is a little longer and this one is a little thicker than this one. So lengthening के लिए you have thicker wand, and for volumizing you have a sleeker but elongated wand. ये वाला तो actually apply करने के बाद ही समझेगा कि कैसा है. तो should I just apply it on this and see? तो I think I need some volume because length तो ठीक ही है. If you guys can see this one, see, I know I shouldn't be layering the mascaras. Right now I'm wearing the Maybelline's Falsy Lashes. I'm looking at the viewfinder right now. I'm so sorry, I'm so close to you guys right now. I'm a little shy. But so I just applied the volumizing mascara and you guys can see the difference. Oh my god, it actually has lifted, like, look at it, it actually has lifted my lashes, and this is just by applying one coat. It is super good. Okay, I had to come back because I was way too close, but I truly love this product. I'm so glad that I am not regretting buying this product. Moving on to the last eyeshadow of this haul, we have the Nicka Cake Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. Wow, I mean, like, look at these warm colors and look at the amount of pressed glitter you get. Oh my god, I'm pretty sure that these are going to perform bomb. I'm only concerned about this yellow one here. Let me just compare this yellow with the birthday cake wala yellow. Okay, they look kind of similar, but I'm not sure. Let me just quickly swatch these 9 colors and then we'll also do a comparison between both of the yellow colors. Yeah, see, the yellow one never performs. Let me give it another try. Yeah. See, I told you I'm very much excited about these pressed glitter one. Oh my god, you guys. Yeah. The color. I feel like with every pressed glitters I am loving and like I'm falling deeply in love with the next shade. For our transition, these are the colors, these are the warm colors. Don't they actually remind you guys of pumpkin spice latte? I mean, for some reason these colors remind me of pumpkin spice. I already have the yellow from Autumn Spice, so let me just quickly swatch the yellow from the birthday cake so that you guys get an idea. अब उसको 2 chance दिया तो इस वाले को भी तो 2 chance देना पड़ेगा ना to fight. Yeah, see, there is a slight difference in the shade of the yellow, but it's pretty close is what I would say. It is pretty close. So if you are looking for yellows, then I think you should go for the birthday cake. Last but definitely not the least, we have this product from Nykaa. This is the product. So this is a makeup setting spray from PAC. Did you guys know that PAC actually stands for Professional Artist Cosmetics? No, right? I did not either. And for some of you guys who actually did know this, you are a true makeup lover. This costed me 925 rupees for 120 ml of product. Talking about this product, I've heard such good reviews, I've heard such good things about this product, that it is super lightweight, it is super fine and sits on your skin beautifully. And also the good thing about this product is that it gets absorbed into your skin very quickly and keeps your makeup intact for hours, and I mean hours. So let's just quickly see how it works. So I'm not sure if the camera is going to catch it, but this is how the... Oh, it smells good. It evaporates in thin air like anything. I was out of a good setting spray. Actually, I was out of any setting spray for that matter. Because अगर makeup कर लिया और तुमने अगर उस makeup को set नहीं किया तो क्या किया? You know, like you spend so many hours creating good looks, creating good makeup looks, but then if you don't actually protect or seal the art, then what's the point, right? This is very budget friendly also when it comes to the pricing and the amount of product that you get for the price you pay. It's like my previous setting spray was from this brand called LA Girl. Like I had the LA Girl Pro HD setting spray, if I'm not wrong. Here is a picture you guys can see, and that one retailed for around 800, like more than 800 for 30 ml of product. So 800 for 30 ml of product and then 925 for 120 ml of product. Can you guys see the huge difference here? So yeah, so that was the major thing that attracted me towards this product, and I'm so glad that I actually went ahead and bought this. That's it for today's video. That's it for my makeup haul from Myntra and Nykaa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please tell me what was your favorite product from this makeup haul in the comments below. And also, if you found any of your makeup products that you swear by in this video. If not, please leave your suggestions in the comments and tell tell me ki what are the other products that you would like me to try on and what are the other products that you would like me to review for you guys. I will definitely try my best to review them for you guys. And as always, you know what to do. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.